Hi everyone, this video we are going to export a video that has the subtitles burnt in. So whether you've created them manually like an early video or imported them, we're going to export them. I'm going to export my Hindi ones. Okay, we're going to go to our regular export window. Okay, file export, because I'm sick of saying Command M, Control M on a PC. And you want to go down to captions. Okay, and you got to decide how you're exporting. We're going to do burning in at the moment, so open captions. Okay, open means always open. Closed captions means can be turned on and off. So closed captioning means you're going to export this sidecar file, okay, that's going to go along with your video, a separate file, okay, and you'll need to decide on the format depending on, you know, what network you're going to, what they've requested. So you'll have to go through and decide on that depending on where it's going. Okay, what we're going to do is burn it in. Okay, open captions. So burn captions into video. And you can see whichever one had the eyeball on my timeline open, so my Hindi one, so you just have to toggle that depending on which version you want to export out. So remember, these can't be turned on and off, and that's it. You've burnt on. I'll put mine somewhere we can find it. Poor old desktop. That was going to be a little bit too long because those subtitles cruised on into the old no man's land of thing here. You can see I've got all this extra stuff. You can just delete them. Select them all, delete them before you export. Let's have a look what we got. Okay, there's my video. And hopefully, there it is.
Now this UI UX.
There's my subtitles, burnt in, easy. Okay, remember burning them in is also the same as open subtitles. Open means always open. Closed captioning means a separate file. And in our case, instead of importing them and styling them, okay, if they are going out as that sidecar file, I would just actually send the SRT because it's already a separate file and I haven't messed with it. But you might have to change some of the formatting and you might have to get the metadata more accurate, so you could use that sidecar export. All right, that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.